to the Ongesa family, pole sana. Your dad Ongesa was a uniter, and I'm happy of the family of the kids. Can you do better than what your dad did? Especially the eldest son and the daughter go beyond what your dad did. I'm here because of your dad. There's something called Geico. I don't know when you know about it. It came out of your efforts your dad used to put against the uniting the Omogusi. And we want you to unite the other. You know, and then go ahead and unite them. The other chairman is Mulega Motu. The only thing I can tell you, let's do our work, then to the game mark. I know Mse did his job. He brand his value. It's gonna be a decent one. And for us who are holding office right now, let's do our job to the game mark so that when I be out there, Mwadana Nyamwaro na koleta so and so. Amalieta Nyamwaro Ngurugu, Steve, Kaiko Chairman. Thank you.